This is a review and build of the Lego City Desert Valley Racer. This is it here. Set number 60218. That's a $10 kit. You get about 75 pieces in here. Little scorpion there. Actually, it's a little scorpion. And it gives you a, looks like a off-roader. Looks like something from off-roader from the Durban Valley of all places. Strange that. Anyhow, what we're going to do next is going to be build this, and I'll show you what it looks like once we get it out of the box. This racer, of course, will also be joining on Lego City. Oh yeah, here's the back of the box here. Do you remember the days when Lego basically had ideas in the back of the box what else you can do with the kits? Kind of missed that. But that was a long time ago, and I'm very old. So, what we're going to do next, we're going to do basically take the stuff out of it, get rid of the box, and then basically build a toy. Because after all, Lego is a building toy. And I got to figure my way into it. It's been such a long time. Here we go. Oh, this is the way. Awesome. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sticker sheet, which I'm not a big fan of. I actually prefer the old printed blocks. And of course the instructions. Here's the instructions. Just here. Okay, so next is we're going to build this and see what it's like after we finish doing it. Okay, so see you at the end of the build. Okay, the kit's built. It's actually a very, very nice little simple build. A lot of fun. The kit's got a lot of character in it. It's got bits in it which I didn't expect to see in this sort of build. But it has been a long time since I've actually built a actual Lego kit of this type. This is a close-up of the racer. You can see it's a nice little vehicle. Black wheels, very nice. Big road wheels, so you can take it over some rough terrain. The kid's going to get a lot of fun out of this in a sand pit or outside somewhere. Old superchargers, so basically go really, really fast. I've seen these things run in Dubai rallies and basically in 4x4 circuit racing, and these are really, really, really neat and very powerful machines. It does see a little different from the box. The box actually has the wheels hubs on the inside. I've just put the insides on the outs and the outs on the inside. Kind of like the cleaner look. It is a Lego after all, and you can do what you like with it. I'll show you the minifig now. Here he is. This is Mr. Minifig. This is the driver of the car here. Nice little front print there. He hasn't got any detail on the back of the head, so I won't be showing that. But you can see it's a nice orange racing suit, basically from his sponsor, which is VitaRush, which I'm going to show you see a lot more as we build our Lego city. Visor goes up and down, nice little play feature there. As normal, I'm always a little bit more crooked with my stuff than I should be. And on the back, you see basically his Vita Plus type race gear on there. Nice little minifig. Definitely looks like a racer going on there. We'll put him back in here. And of course, oh my god, he's fell off the table. And of course, also comes, drop it on the floor, back in a second. Also comes for a little scorpion, because it wouldn't be a desert after all without a scorpion in it. Snip, 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 snip. I think this is originally from the pirate sets, I believe, but I've recorded it in dark blue plastic. I think it normally appears in red. So, two nice little additions to the set. A nice little addition to the set there gives a little bit more character. Here you go, a little bit closer up of both of them both together. Like so. And, of course, to drive the vehicle, you take the top off like so. And in goes the little drive. In goes the driver like that. It goes back on. And there he is. He's back in the vehicle. Nice safe sound, ready to go racing. I have to say, it's got a lot of play value, this kid. I mean, this kid has. I remember when I was a kid, I used to love these sort of vehicles. Although, back in the day, I used to be hinged, so there was no like break a piece off to get the guy in there. You used to unhinge the roof, put the guy in there, and the guy could stand up in there and have some fun in there too. One word, when I was building it, we've seen the speed build. Like these pieces here came off very, very easy. In fact, if I just put not much pressure on it, it clicks and pops. But thankfully, it's a little easier to click back on there, and it's kind of nice. As mentioned before, this is actually a nice little $10 piece, 75 pieces in there. The minifig works out to be $3 of it, so I don't $3 of that kit. So the rest of the kit basically comes into Lego price lines. So there you go, quick 360 of it. You know, I'm kind of happy with it. It's going to make a nice little addition to my Lego town. It's going to go to the outskirts. We have a whole mountain area that we're planning out like an outdoor camping site. So it's probably going to fit in there quite nicely. Love to see if the Lego makes another one of these in a slightly different colour. Or so we can basically have the pair racing, or we might just basically do a Top Gear pit crew type thing, which would be kind of fun too. Let's stop there. Vita Crush. As I say, we're kind of new to Lego back again after about a many years break. So Vita Crush, I'm going to guess, is a big thing in Lego towns now. So it'd be nice to see if we see a Vita Crush fruit stand out there. I might actually make one for myself. There we go, another little 360. This moves back and forth here, nice little play there, so that you can goes back and forth like an air brake, back down again, so it stays there, tilts like that. And of course, I really like the grill features they put in these here, which you can clip like that. Really nice build. Really enjoyed it. There's a lot of play value here for your kid for $10. The big off-road tires, that means you can really take this off-road. You can your kid can basically play it in the grass, run it over boulders and rocks. I know basically if I was a little bit younger, I would definitely lots younger. I would definitely run it down my dad's rockery, and my dad would be very, very mad at me for running down the rockery. But this is really neat. Love the supercharger pieces. I'm thinking that's from the Speed Racers. I've got to get into that range a little bit more. Saw the Mustang. Really want to get hold of that and the Mini Coupe, because that really does appeal to me. Love to see if they do a Ford Escort though. That'd be really, really cool. In the back of there, you got superchargers for the burnouts. You know, real nice kit. Very sparse on the inside. I'll quickly show you that very quickly. Very sparse on the inside. You get the steering wheel, but there's no console details, and there's no backrest, which is for the driver. So you know he's gonna go really, really fast, and he's gonna go pinging into the back there. But it does give you space for other pieces of equipment in there. Scorpion's a nice addition, almost like they threw that in as an afterthought. I don't know. I think I'll probably happy to see a spanner or some tools in there instead to go with it. You know, that kind of makes more sense since these guys go off rallying into basically places where the support crews can't get to them very easily. But here we go. Nice little 3 look around. This has been the review for kit number 60218, the Desert Rally Racer. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's going to make a cool toy for anybody who buys it with their kid. It's going to look pretty good in your Lego build-ups. Though it's definitely an off-road vehicle, so if you're going to put it in there, I'd recommend you have like a park or an off-road section you can put these in. This is going to work in ours because we're going to be planning a mountaintop at some point, and this will work well in there. So again, thank you very much. Thank you for listening. This has been Alt World, or as we say, Alt World Tube, and it's life or something like that. So have a good day now. Bye.